Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Please smash that thumbs up for our latest C5 video. This one will be titled C5 Taillights, How to Replace. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, now that you've smashed that thumbs up, let's talk about what led me to need to replace a taillight or taillights. And I'm zooming in on it right now. I don't know if you can see that. That's cracked. It's cracked because at a car show, here come a 10x10 flying into the car. Bam! Well, I didn't notice at first because I was checking scratches and whatnot. Nothing. But it cracked upon further inspection. So I have sourced a taillight, which is probably your first step. There's various places. I would seriously avoid paying money for new at this point, even if they are available. There are numerous sources you can check. Online auction houses such as Fleabay. You can also check, believe it or not, even that online marketplace that was founded by that bald dude who used to sell books. You have other places like the Corvette Forum, which is what I strongly recommend. But anyway, your first step would obviously be securing a new taillight. Alright, so Corvette Dan was able to source a set of used taillights off of one of those aforementioned places. And he bought 4. Good luck trying to find one. This is the one we're going to use. Truth be told, they were used. 2 were in really nice shape like this one. And 2 were in what I just say driver quality shape. That's okay. I was looking for 1. I paid 80 bucks for 4. I even have the screws. So the next thing is to determine what you need to do to remove the screws. Now I say that, it may sound simple enough to you, but I can give you an example. You might look at this one and you see that these are little bitty, looks like Torx, right? Or hex. We'll get a closer look, we'll tell you exactly what it is. But there's situations where people will do different things, such as, mount these taillight grills like I have here, and you see the screws are Phillips. So you really have to inspect to see what's on the car now before you can determine exactly what tool to use. It could vary, Phillips, Torx, hex. We're going to find out in a second what this one is going to call for. Alright everyone, we determined that the screws are going to be Torx T10. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Torx T10 driver. And it's going to be pretty simple to remove these. Obviously, you know what to do, but I'm going to suggest that you disconnect the battery. Now, some of you might say, well, you're not actually breaking into the electricity, you don't have to, but if I don't suggest disconnecting the battery for every single thing you do that involves electricity or computers on a car, you might not when you need to. Disconnect your battery first. Better safe than sorry. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unscrew these, like so. All right, and again, the other one, obviously, you're going to go counterclockwise to loosen. Okay. All right, we got both screws out, and honestly, it's just going to kind of plop out of there. Maybe not so easy. Here we go. So there you have it, right? That's simple. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pinch that in and twist. Probably have to do that without holding the phone, so I will do that. Okay, so from this view, that's a pinch and twist counterclockwise. Let's show it with it removed. So there we have it removed. It would be a good time to just inspect the bulb, right? And the wires, and this gets quite dirty. You can't get back here when you're cleaning your car regularly, so you'll want to wipe it down. You may even want to peer inside, make sure you don't see anything goofy. Apparently we don't see anything goofy. So don't drop your phone down there, by the way, or a flashlight. Otherwise, you'll be trying to fish it out. So now all we're going to do is twist this into the new one and reverse what we just did. So stay tuned on that. There you have it, everyone. Buttoned back up. It is lit. You just can't see. So that's it. Simple enough how to change your taillight C5 Corvette. Until the next one, everyone, stay tuned.